Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to IRS e-services for tax updates, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type IRS e-services into the search bar and hit enter. Locate the official IRS e-services website link and click on it. On the home page, look for the Create an Account button. Click on the Create an Account button to start the registration process. You will be directed to the User Agreement page. Read the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and address. Provide your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Enter your date of birth in the specified format. Next, set up your username and password. Ensure your password is strong, following the outlined criteria. Set up your security questions and answers for account recovery. After completing the form, review all entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email with a verification link. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the IRS e-services website. Log in using your newly created username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Subscriptions section. Select the types of updates you wish to receive. You can choose from tax law changes, due dates, and other important reminders. You will receive a confirmation on your screen regarding your subscriptions. Now, check your email periodically for updates from IRS e-services. For any issues, refer to the Help section on the site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.